So we got this question to integrate. The point is we have to integrate from 3 to 8 sine of root under x plus 2. Okay, so you know that first we have to find out the thing which is bit annoying, and then we used to try to integrate. So if you will observe this function, hopefully you will find this function to be annoying. Okay, so what I will do, we will take that thing as z. Suppose, so it is root over x plus 2. Correct? Now, so you know that after assuming something as z, the limit got changed. Okay, so what is the lower limit? Lower limit is 3. So if x is 3, z will become what? Root 5. So look at this, your lower limit will become now 5. What is the upper limit? 8. So 8 plus 2 will become 10. So root 10. So this is how your upper limit and lower limit will be influenced. Now let's differentiate this function. So it is dz by dx. Do you remember the differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 times root x plus 2. Now we have to differentiate x. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 2 is 0. So this we got as the differentiation. Now can we write dz? 2 times dz equals to dx by root over x plus 2. Now look at this. We have dx by this thing. So this will be replaced by 2 times dz, and then we have sine of z. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now let's apply the integration. Do you remember integration of sine x? It is cos x. So cos z. The answer is in C, so minus, correct, plus integration constant C. Okay, with limits, limit as 5, limit as 10. Okay, now look at this. Let's apply the limit. So first we will do what? We will place the upper limit. So minus of cos root 10 plus integration constant C. Then we have minus, now we will be placing the lower limit, minus of cos root 5 plus integration constant C. Okay, so if you will observe, this C and this C will be neutralized, and we will be left with 2 times cos root 5 minus cos root 10. So this is our required result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can connect your concepts with these steps. Okay,